So day 3 at the airport. This time I'm off to Kyalami for the Festival of Motoring. This is yesterday's takeaway cup found in my car, which I've just thrown over a fresh cup of coffee into. And yeah, let's go. Yes, the Festival of Motoring at Kyalami in just 3 minutes. Not gonna happen. Look, I'm squeezing a visit to one of the biggest car shows on the continent into just 5 short hours, and turning that into just over 2 minutes of footage. So this is less a vlog and more of a slideshow of factory cars, classics, race cars. I won't even get to touch on the experiences like track driving and 4x4 courses. And on that note, cue the montage.